Hello and welcome to ChaoLee Adventures. In this video, we're going to show you how we spent 3 days in the beautiful city of Seoul. Let's go! We started our day walking around the Bukchon Hanok village. Our first stop was at Cafe Onion Ongguk, which is right around the corner from the Ongguk station. We filled up on fresh coffee and delicious pastries at this beautiful traditional style Korean house, sitting on floor cushions.
Then we checked out this house of Baek in Jae. This house is considered historically and architecturally valuable, and it represents the fusion of traditional Japanese and Korean elements in its design. Now, it's a museum that's free of charge. You can just walk in and do a self-guided tour. It also serves as a filming location for various movies and TV shows. Some of the rooms were set up with a TV for an audio and visual narrated tour.
Our visit to the Bukchon Hanok village area with the kimchi making lesson in the Seoul Kimchi Academy. You have to make reservations online as they are very popular and time slots get booked up fast.
I'm making kimchi.
The teacher gave us a brief history lesson while explaining the process of making kimchi from scratch.
$1,000 today, $10,000 very expensive store, and layer by layer, like this, one by one, this way, one.
While everyone was busy learning how to make kimchi, the staff was also busy preparing kimchi pancakes for us to try.
The baby shrimp and that salt and mix it together. We use 1 month later, 3 months later. But can buy this bottle. Okay, this bottle. This, moisture. Outside this leaf cover, like baby.
Then we each made some kimchi tailored to our own taste buds. They even sealed the bag for us to legally take it back home with us. This was truly a fun experience we definitely recommend for when you come to Korea.
A food tour is a great way to learn about culture, history, and culinary diversity, which is why we booked this tour on our first day of this trip. This tour is at the Gwangjang market, so you get to discover and enjoy a world-renowned street market. You get a local tour guide that handpicked a good variety of flavors. This is perfect for travelers on a budget or time constraint, or for those who aren't sure what kind of food they might like. And the best part is that you don't have to wait in line for anything because they made arrangements to accommodate a small group like ours. If you find something you like, you can always come back for more.
It's like a bottoms up.
Let's move in.
Yes.
Good morning. It's day 2 and we're back in the Bukchon Hanok village. This time we're renting traditional Korean clothing, Hanbok. There are a ton of Hanbok rental shops just outside of Gyeongbokgung metro station, so you don't even have to go far. We did reserve our 4-hour rental session on klook.com. After picking our outfits and getting hair done, we walked over to the Gyeongbokgung Palace for some photos. After that, we walked around the Bukchon Hanok village and tried to get some of the popular photo spots. Rested for a bit and enjoyed an afternoon coffee, tea, and snack at a cafe in the village.
One of the things we always look forward to when traveling anywhere in Asia is street markets. We love the ambiance, all the little mom and pop shops, events and activities, and especially enjoy trying out different street food vendors. Hongdae Street Market, also known as Hongdae Shopping Street, is right by Hanok University, Seoul campus. As you can imagine, there's a lot of young students demanding the best and the latest in food and shopping options, as well as entertainment and nightlife. This area does not disappoint if you don't mind the crowd.
Another beautiful photo spot to check out is this urban park alongside a waterway. The stream stretches quite long, but we only walked a short section from one subway station to another. We came here in January and it was too cold to be walking around leisurely without freezing, but all the lighted features were very nice to look at and take pictures. During the day, this would be a nice relaxing getaway from the busy city life.
One of the most picturesque places we visited on this trip is going across the Han River to Gangnam, to a place called the Stairfield Library. This library is inside the Stairfield COEX Mall. Aside from walking around the mall, we spent some time in this beautiful library.
One of the must-visit places in Seoul is the Majang meat market. Now you've probably seen this famous market on TV. This is a meat market where the store partner with restaurants to cook your selection of meats. What it's most known for is the delicious Hanwoo beef. Similar to the Japanese Wagyu, Hanwoo is the top quality of beef in Korea.
Where are we going, guys?
Go eat some 1++ Hanwoo beef. You pick a shop, choose a variety of meat, then they bring you to a restaurant nearby where you get to eat it. We chose a Korean barbecue style restaurant where we cooked it ourselves. So you buy the meat from the butcher and you can get starch, vegetable, and sides from the restaurant to complete your meal. The beef was so tender it melts in your mouth. We came here late in the afternoon, right when the market was about to close, so our choices were limited. We recommend coming for lunch when the market is busy, and you also won't feel rushed because shops and restaurants are closing.
Myeongdong Street Market is another one you should visit, and it's by far the most popular touristy place. As you can see, the market already starts underground with the subway station lined up with small shops. As you make your way up to the street level, you can already hear the busy street. We came here every day because that was our subway station to get to our hotel. We tried many snacks from different vendors and did a little bit of souvenir shopping. Whatever service or product you might need, you will find it here. Instant noodles. This K-Ramyun Restaurant in Myeongdong is open late, so we came here for a nightcap. They sell all kinds of nongshim noodles, but the best part is that they cook it for you. You pick the package you want to try, give it to the staff, and they will open the package, put the noodles in a bowl, and add the soup base. After that, you can add some toppings and bring it back to the staff. They will add the water and make sure everything is cooked and call you when it's ready. They even offered an egg if we wanted to add that. Very cool experience for instant noodle lovers.
That's it, guys. 3 days worth of things to do in Seoul. It's up to you how much you want to include in your planning. Just have to consider travel time from your stay to each location, how many people you have in your group, and your energy levels. There's a lot more to see and do. We'll definitely be back sometime in the future. Thanks for watching and see you in our next adventure.